Unveiling Big Data, Understanding Its Impact and Future. Hey everyone, did you know that by 2025, it's estimated that we'll create 463 exabytes of data every single day? Crazy, right? Welcome back to my channel, where today we're diving into the world of big data. So, what exactly is big data, and why should you care? Stick around because we're going to unpack this fascinating topic and talk about how it influences everything from your shopping habits to healthcare and even sports. What is big data? So let's start with the basics. Big data is all about massive volumes of data coming in at lightning speed and from a variety of sources. Think of it like this: it's not just the numbers in your phone or the photos on your social media, it's everything. We're talking about data from social media posts, sensors in your smart home devices, and even transaction records from stores. If traditional data is like a drop in the ocean, big data is like the entire ocean itself. It covers four key characteristics: volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. The importance of big data. You might be wondering, why does big data matter? Well, picture this. Businesses use big data to make smarter decisions. Imagine going to your favorite store and finding exactly what you need because they've analyzed your shopping habits. Big data is utilized in so many areas of life. In healthcare, it helps predict disease outbreaks and improve patient care. In finance, it aids in making better investment decisions. Even in sports, teams are using data to analyze player performance and develop winning strategies. With big data, companies are not just reacting, they're anticipating. How big data is collected and processed. Now let's talk about how all this data is collected. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Companies gather data through various means, like surveys you fill out online, the purchases you make, and even your interactions on social media. All of this information piles up, creating an enormous pool of data to analyze. To store all this data, businesses often turn to technologies like cloud storage or data lakes. Think of it like a big warehouse where data can be stored and accessed easily. When it comes to processing this data, powerful tools like Hadoop and Spark come in handy. These tools help break down the data into manageable bits so that useful insights can be gleaned. In simpler terms, it's like taking a mountain of puzzle pieces and sorting them into an easy-to-understand picture. Real-world applications of big data. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate how big data is changing our lives. First up, healthcare. Imagine hospitals using big data to predict outbreaks based on patient history and location. This way, they can be prepared before an outbreak even hits. Next, in retail, companies leverage big data to create personalized shopping experiences. Ever gotten recommendations based on your past purchases? That's big data at work. It helps stores understand what we like, ensuring they have exactly what we want in stock. And don't forget finance. Big data helps detect fraud in real time, which is crucial in protecting our money. By keeping an eye on transaction patterns, if something seems off, the system can quickly alert you. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how big data is utilized across different sectors. Challenges of big data. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Big data does come with its challenges. One major concern is privacy and security. With so much personal information floating around, how do we keep it safe? There's also the complexity of managing and integrating different data sources. Companies often struggle with this, especially when it comes to making sense of all that information. Plus, there's a demand for skilled professionals who can navigate this big data landscape effectively. So, while big data offers tons of opportunities, it comes with a few hurdles to jump over too. The future of big data. Looking ahead, the future of big data is exciting. One of the biggest trends we're seeing is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning with big data analytics. This means that not only can we analyze past data, but we can also predict future trends with incredible accuracy. Imagine your favorite streaming service suggesting a show before you even think to search for it. Another exciting development is the potential for real-time data processing. We're getting to a point where businesses can not only respond to data quickly, but also anticipate needs before they arise. Think of things like smart cities, where data from traffic patterns helps manage congestion in real time. The opportunities are endless, and it's fascinating to consider how big data will continue to transform our lives. So there you have it, a dive into big data. What do you think? Drop your thoughts and experiences with big data in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.